Okay, our problem, we're going to work a binomial problem in Excel. And in this problem, it says a soccer team estimates they will score 8% of the corner kicks. In next week's game, the team hopes to kick 15 corner kicks. What are the chances they will score on 2 of those opportunities? So first, we have to determine what we know from the problem. So we know that n equals 15, x equals 2, and p equals 0.08. So to calculate our binomial formula, we start with the equals, and we're going to do the combination. And the combination is 15 kicks, and we want to know 2 out of 15. So if we just stop there and we got the answer, it would be 105. That's the answer to our combination part of the problem. Now we're going to continue with the binomial problem. So our probability of success is 0.08 raised, and we do the exponent with the caret, 2 times the probability of failure, which is 0.92 raised to the 13th power. And I got 13 because we had 15 kicks, and it's n minus x, so 15 minus 2 gives us the 13. And that gives us an answer of 0.227. So the chance they will score 2 out of the 15 kicks is 0.23, basically. Hope this helps.